weather this calm, I think I want to try swim bait. I gotta put on this swim bait. Let's see if the swim plastic was working. Right, let's troll it. Oh shoot! Whoa! Must be bluefish. Jeez. So there's fish around. There's definitely fish around. SP minnow always works. Good for bluefish. I think they're still around. Oh, yes. Wow. That was a vicious attack. Attack on the SP minnow. Alright. Small bluefish. This is my stringer, guys. This worked pretty good for me. SP minnow, guys. You gotta have one of these in your bag. Gotta bleach this guy out. Oh, yeah, I got you. Oh, another bluefish. Another small bluefish. Oh, a lot of bluefish today. Oh, wow! Right at the kayak. This little one is strong. Yeah. Okay. Came up the hook. Alright. I'm keeping this alive in case I catch a bigger one. I can release him. Another bluefish. Bluefish are everywhere today. All right. Got the limit on bluefish again. There's a lot of bluefish today, and I think they all the same size. But that was quick, for like an hour. And I got the limit already. So the next thing is to find sea bass. Let's change the setup. So I made these last night, this rig, and it's for sea bass and flounder fishing. Check this out. Just hook it there. Let's try it out today. Alright, this is the setup. Let's see if you can catch fish. First time using it. Oh, scup. Oh, feel really decent. What is this? Oh shit. Doesn't feel like scup. Maybe sea bass? Oh, sea bass. Small one though. Small sea bass, another keeper. Alright, see you later. Let's go. A sea bass. Feel like sea bass. Feel like a sea bass. Come on. Whoa, flounder. Woo! Is it a keeper? Whoa! Oh man, I haven't caught one of these for a long time. Wow! Let's see how big this is. Tail to head. 17 inch. Alright, look like I can keep this one. 2 summer flounder at 17 inch. The 2 remaining fish must be 18 inch. But the 2 flounder can be 17 inch. Yeah, this one is 17 inch, so this one is a keeper. Oh man, he swallowed it. Ah, this thing swallowed it. Oh wow. Oh man, this oh man. Oh, what is this? What is this? Scup, foul hook scup. Oh wow, big scup. That's a big size. About 15 inch. I'm not planning to keep any scup today, so I'm gonna let this one go. Alright. Oh. Oh man, the sun is up. I'm hot. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I haven't caught any fish for like an hour, and then I just got that scup, but it's definitely slowed down. I'm gonna call it a day. I got limit on the bluefish. I got one sea bass was undersized, and I keep a flounder. I'm very happy. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video.